we're gonna catch freshwater whales. And by freshwater whales, I mean carp. Our panko. Got our strawberry jello. All right, now we're gonna throw in our sweet corn. I ended up catching a turtle, guys. I caught a turtle. Let's go. Hey, we're not carp fishing. We're turtle fishing. Another turtle. So I'm thinking that maybe the whole time turtles have been eating my bait. I'm just wondering, like, maybe the turtles are getting there before the carp get there. That's my theory. Or there's just no carp and there's only turtles at this lake. So